So invariably, as always, the truth versus a big monster lie. Again, I have the truth. Guess who has the big monster lie? So no Black Panther, Sandringham serial killer here. Black Wizard terrorist, this shooter. And again, they certainly will pay to make you disappear or to cover up high crimes. Royal Blue murder, and certainly not mine. Norfolk Bacon SS, Windsor Gestapos, the local Nazis. And that one had 17 on it. 17-year-old sex trafficked girl, abused and hunted, found dead on New Year's Day. Royal Sandringham Estate killing fields, late Prince Philip's favourite hunting area. So everyone nicely used and set me up, framed and fixed me, used me as the spare and the fool guy, the scapegoat. As I was staying in a disused beach hut at Hitcham, North Norfolk coast, 7 miles from Sandringham. Police surrounded my frame fixed Skoda, calling for backup. Nicely setting me up as the Black Cat, copycat. Black Cat of Burston, Son of Sam, Black Panther. Sandringham serial killer, really don't think so. Clockwork Orange, Norwich train station, maiden by rapers. I was on a woman's black Dutchy bike, not a mountain bike. All mixed into the black shroud of Sandringham, just to set me up further. And all to cover up high crimes, Royal Blue murder, and certainly not mine. We did have a lot of rain yesterday, last night. So you can Google the rains list, and again that's a Skoda there. They is disclosed in the rains list how they wear claws to claw their victims, human hunting parties. Human hunting, feasting, blood drinking, castles, manor houses, UK's Devil Island, country estates, Evergreen Toxic Crown Corporation, Saxe Goburn Gotha, Windsor SS. Just drop on to 23. That first car had Limey on it, but no Blitz Limey, MPGP cop. Ex-wife killer here, really don't think so. One big monster con. Monster Bluff. One's got go on it. You certainly do have to run, fly, go, disappear. Follow your golden compass when you do find yourself in a golden circle. Golden dragon, precision engineered, clockwork orange, golden squeeze. Again, you do have to follow your golden compass. No Black Wizard, Sandringham serial killer, terrorist, this shooter here, really don't think so. And all they really have is sip, zero, silch, nil. A whole lot of nothing. They do not have a royal flush. They've got 4 jokers, 1 big monster con, 1 big monster bluff. Again, no purple guy, serial killer here, and that one had 23 on it, the big pickup. A very good film, Jim Carrey, number 23, but no mad, deranged, insane, demon possessed, Jekyll and Hyde. Number 21 or number 23, serial killer here. Simon Bailey Don't Cry, and his blonde host plainclothes lover, not true detective. Dismason Council, White Lodge, the local mafia, the local mob. all their cronies, spies and informers, pushing all their mad monster lies, bogus diagnosis and death threats in this Norfolk, UK. So no Roy White and White Van Man, Christian B, Sandringham serial killer here, Black Wizard, terrorist, dis shooter,